Hi, I'm Devin Gall, Program Engineer with TrueBlue Power. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the TWC15 Series of Wireless Chargers. If you're ready to cut the cord and looking for a creative solution for providing convenience power anywhere in your aircraft, you're going to want to keep watching. The TWC15 chargers are certified to FAA TSOC71. They're Qi 2 compliant, which is the industry standard for wireless charging, and they're MagSafe compatible for maximum charging. The wireless chargers provide 15 watts of power to compatible phones and wireless headphones. The TWC15 will accept an input voltage between 12 and 32 volts, which means you can use it on your 12 volt or your 24 volt aircraft. The TWC15 has a charging depth up to 10 millimeters, which will provide you with maximum flexibility for mounting, whether using your own solution or the pre-tapped holes. With only 4 pins on the connector, installation is really simple. Pin 1 is your positive power input, pin 2 is ground, pin 3 is status, which can be connected to an external LED to provide an indication of whether the charger is enabled or disabled. Pin 4 is the enable pin. By default, this is left open and the charger is enabled. If you apply aircraft power to pin 4, then that will disable the charger. The wireless charger offers numerous protective functions: short circuit protection, power surge protection, reverse polarity protection, overload protection, low input voltage shutdown, over temperature protection, and foreign object detection, which means if any keys, coins, paper clips, or any other metallic object is detected, the output is turned off. If you have any questions about the TWC15 series of wireless chargers or any of our other convenience power products, feel free to give us a call.